guys, welcome back to Palette Therapy. If this is your first time stopping by, my name is Keela. If not, thank you for the support. In today's video, I will be reviewing another wig. I will be reviewing this nice little beginner friendly unit that I have on. So make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Now let's get into this video. Okay, so I am back with another wig review. This one is from Outre Lace Front Deluxe in the style Noria or Nora, however you guys want to say it. This is what the card looks like, and this is the back of it. It is 12 inches. I got it in the color 2 because I was looking for more natural styles to wear. Like, I know I do wear, I do a lot of reviews with different type of colors, but I also like, in my everyday life, I like to wear natural colors, and 2 is my normal go-to color. But this wig comes in a bunch of different colors: maple brown, cinnamon wine, creamy toffee, which actually looks really pretty. I would probably try that. Sandy blonde, golden amber, and ginger brown. So this is supposed to mimic a lace front. It says the new Outre Lace Front Deluxe features deeper lace edges for an additional upgraded hairline and more hand-tied lace at the part. The lace creates a flatter finish where it matters most, and the ear-to-ear HD lace will melt beautifully on your skin. Experience the benefits of extra lace with Lace Front Deluxe. And it comes pre-parted as well. This is a left side part. No, I feel like I have something on my face. This is a left side part as well for the left side part. Girls, I'm one of those girls that like left-sided parts. Probably because I'm left-handed. I don't know if that has anything to do with it. But, you know, I like the left-sided part. So, you know, that's right up my alley. Ear-to-ear HD transparent lace. Deeper pre-plucked hand-tied lace edges. 5-inch deep parting for the girls that like deep parts. Natural baby hairs and heat resistant. So we're gonna get into the clips of what she looks like straight out of the box, and then I will be back to install her. Okay guys, so this, if I can grab her, this is what she looks like after I have cut the lace off. Again, she comes with the part already, adjustable straps in the back, 2 combs on the side, and then 1 in the nape area. And this is what the part looks like here. It's not a long wig. Honestly, I'm not really sure if it's 12 inches. It kind of gives me more of a 10-inch vibe, but it could be 12 inches. You know, it just, the curls may make it shrink, but it's really pretty. I don't think the luster is too much on it. If you feel like it's shining too much for you, of course you can always go in with some dry shampoo and dull her down, but I don't feel like it has too much luster. Kind of reminds me of like if you just got your hair flat ironed and you added some curls to it. That's what it looks like to me. So we're gonna go ahead and lay her down and see what she looks like.
Find me in the night. We both know when it's right. Babe, I can ease your mind, but I want it my way. So meet me in the crowd. Everything is allowed. Your mind is running wild, but we'll do it my way. Love is a feeling
am back with my final thoughts. I like this wig. I would give it a 8 out of 10. As far as beginner friendly, very easy. I'm interested in finding some more wigs from this particular collection, because this is my first time reviewing a wig from this collection, and it does mimic that lace front vibe right here. Like, it's really thin right here, so it does mimic that lace front vibe without you actually having on the lace front, and it lays really flat, so I do like that. Like I said, I'm not really sure if I would say this is 12 inches. I mean, I guess it still gives me a 10-inch vibe, and I have figured out that my perfect bob size is 12-inch to 14-inch. So that's the length that I like for my bobs to be, or for my hair to be in general. So I feel like this is more of a 10-inch vibe to me. But the curls on here are pretty. They are really tight. So if you're a person that don't like tight curls, you may not like this wig. The curls are tighter than this in the back. I mean, they are really tight, and I've combed through it several times. I would say it's big head friendly. I didn't even adjust the straps, and it's a lot of room in it still, but it lays down really, it lays down snug at the front. So again, that lace front ear to ear, like they said. I would say it does have the 5-inch part. As you guys saw me putting my concealer on, I had to take a makeup wipe and clean my part up. So that's a little hack that you can always do if you add too much makeup or the makeup gets on your hair. You can always use a makeup wipe or some type of makeup remover and just clean it off and clean your part up. I didn't really get much shedding with this unit. It's very silky. It's more on the silky side, and like you can just, you see me running my fingers through it, so it's very silky and nice and smooth. So I hadn't got any shedding. You know, that's one string, but that's really good for a synthetic unit, because some synthetic units shed a lot. So which, you know, I tell you that every time I review a synthetic unit, they do. Some of them shed a lot. I do like the way this little part lays here. I feel like this is cute. Like if this was if this part was straight, like a straight bob, and then they kept the little curl right here, I would love it. Like, it would become my everyday wig. This would be like a great work wig. Again, I'm not the biggest fan of the curls, but the wig itself is nice. And as far as beginner friendly, definitely beginner friendly. I mean, you cut the lace off and you put your makeup on your part, and then, you know, you just go on, and this is what you get. Like what I showed you guys is what you get. I didn't cut anything out because I like to give you guys honest reviews. I want you to know what you're getting yourself into when you buy the hair. So, but if you like this type of curl, I mean, like I said, I feel like this is a great everyday work wig. Like if you're into this, kind of give me that 80s vibe when they used to wear the really tight curls, right before the 90s. You know, in the 90s they had the ones that rolled to the back. You know, you had ponytail and all that stuff. But this gives those really tight curls at the bottom. So I would give her an 8 out of 10, guys. I would. Like I said, I'm interested to try more wigs from this collection. I ran up on this wig on Elevate Styles. That's where I get most of my synthetic units from. And it was on sale, and it was like really cheap. I want to say it was like 20 bucks. And I was like, okay, that's a good wig to try. Because I also like to try units that other YouTubers aren't really pushing out. Because a lot of times we know about the big names. Like we know about Butter Lace, and we know about Outre, you know, melted hairline or perfect hairline. You know, we know about those. But what about the ones we don't know about that still give you what you need? And this is one of those that still gives you what you need. And you're not having to pay that much. I mean, some of those Outre wigs and sensational wigs are gonna run you 50, 60, 70 bucks, you know, so depending on which website you get them from. And this is a nice affordable unit. Again, like I said, I feel like it's the perfect work wig, especially if you work in an office, like you're a business lady or entrepreneur or something like that. You know, you CEO, you work in the office. This is giving boss lady vibes. And I think this will be, like I said, a really good work wig. I'm gonna go and see if I can find maybe find one that's straight hair or just has like a little bump and the curls aren't so tight. And I'm gonna see if I can review that as well. Because I feel like this would be perfect for me to wear to work. Cause listen, I don't install wigs all the time. In fact, I'm gonna be coming out with a video soon about how I bulk record my videos, so y'all stay tuned for that as well. But I don't wear wigs every day because I'm natural, so I like to wear my natural hair. I like to let it breathe. But when I wear wigs, I like to be able to take them off at night. I don't really like to sleep in them. So unless I install it and plan on wearing it for at least a week or two, 9 times out of 10 it's gonna come off at night and I'm gonna sleep with my natural hair. So to have something that I can just throw on in like 5 minutes and go out the door and go on to work, that is perfect for me. And I think something like this would be would give me that type of idea or that type of, you know, quickness that I need. And so I'm interested in, like I said, finding a straight one. And if I do find a straight one, I'll post a review on it as well. But again, guys, like I said, I would give this a 8 out of 10. I'll have it linked in the description box where you guys can go and check it out for yourself. As I always tell you, you know, get your own opinion, do a little research. You know, I'm just giving you my first impressions. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you made it this far, I appreciate it. Drop me a comment down below. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss anything. I post videos all the time, all different type of videos. You know, I post makeup videos and I post different challenges and wig installs, wig reviews, makeup hauls, vlogs, a little bit of it all. And you don't want to miss them. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. As always, thank you guys for your support and I will catch you in my next one. Peace.